Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix this file does not have an app associated with it. So guys, to resolve this issue, firstly click on start. Now here type regedit, open registry editor. So first thing guys you have to do, expand HK class root. Now here select any random folder. Now here remove this one and type directory. Select this directory. Now here expand shell folder. Now right click on CMD and click on delete. Or you sure you want to permanently delete this key and all of its sub keys. Click on yes. Now click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully this method will work, and in case still you are facing error, so you can try this second method. Click on start, type CMD, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command sfc space /scan. Now press enter. Now guys it will take couple of minutes, so complete this scanning, and once this scanning process will complete, close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using this two method you can fix and resolve this file does not have an app associated with it. So thanks for watching, and please comment this method work for you or not.